Hello guys. In this video, we are going to have a look at the upcoming UI trend, glassmorphism. We will imitate this effect in Adobe Photoshop. But first, let's have a look at some examples. So, here we are. I will use this image for the effect. You can download it from the link in the description. Anyways, once you have your image, go ahead and press Ctrl and J to duplicate it. I will name this layer blur. Now go to Filter, Blur, and select this one. I will keep the value around 50. Select the rectangle tool. Click anywhere on the screen. You can use any dimensions for the shape. Let's customize the shape a little bit. The color for the fill doesn't matter. Let me place the shape in the center. Drag the shape layer below the blur layer. Select the blur layer, right-click, and click on Create Clipping Mask. Now let's add some effects to the shape. So, double-click on the shape layer to open blending options. Apply the same effects and settings as me. Feel free to pause the video anytime. You can surely make some adjustments if you like. It looks much better now. Let's have a look at the end product. Also, I have made a pack with all of the backgrounds I used in the video. You can download it from the link in the description below. Apart from this, I would like to tell you that this was my first tutorial. I will appreciate any sort of feedback. With this being said, I will see you all in the next one.